Hi, this is Natasha Copeland, and welcome to my channel where makeup is a passion and beauty is contagious. Today we're going to be dealing with my haul from BoxyCharm Popup, and I bought a lot. I went Meshuggah. I think I said that right. So I want to start here with this box. This is the lettering box. Only $9. Can you believe it? Only $9, a light up box. So then I turn around and I got this from my mom, which is the Versailles, I think it is, rose gold elixir for wrinkles and stuff. I always buy her some beauty content. There's nothing wrong with her. She's just as beautiful as she was when she was younger. I also got this here, and this is the artist Couture Caliente. I think I said that correctly. My Spanish is not that great. So then I bought this here, Marc Jacobs makeup palette, and this is called the 840 electric. Okay, I get it. That's what I bought. Isn't that so pretty? I'm a sucker for packaging. I know I hear a lot of beauty personnel say that, but I really am. That really draws me in when the packaging is so cute. It draws me into the product. Now I want the product to work, but the packaging is what sells me first. Alright, so I also picked up this here for Sally, and it's unicorn essence, and it's for priming your skin, I do believe. So I bought this one here also from Versailles, and this one is the skin tune, and this also is for skin priming, face prime. Got it in a big way. I think I paid $12.99 for it, or $12. I'm not for sure. I can't remember. I bought so much. So here it is, also in a smaller tube, which I took out to show you guys. So going over here, and this is Viseart, and that's what it looks like. Isn't it so pretty? Let's see if I take the plastic off. Yeah, that looks much better. Much better. And these are the colors of it. This is the only eyeshadow from Viseart that I own, and I'm so glad that I bought it. Alright, so moving on along, I got this here from Sigma, the Viper, and this is how that looks. Now all of this stuff is not current. These are all past seasons. You just get a discount when you shop for them on the pop-up. Nothing here is, like I said, it's in season. But this is so pretty. Alright, so I also got the sparkling cherry lemonade from Violet Voss. Let's get the plastic off of this as well. And this is how it looks. So moving on from there, I also have the Morphe, what do you call these? Let me see. Highlighters. So let's reopen it and look at the colors again. And that is how it looks. Isn't that just so pretty? So I also bought these here, let me open them. Opening one hand is difficult, but I'm doing it well. So these are the brushes that I bought, and I only paid $9 for them. No, $4.99. Now that I can remember. These were $4.99, or $4. Alright, so we got some more in this box. Like I said, I went crazy buying since everything was like a big discount. So I got this here CoverGirl. Let's see, what is it called? It's the CoverGirl Glitter Drops, which is highlighters, just in liquid form. Now this is in last year's box, I do believe, and I bought it. I already had one, but I wanted one for my niece. And so this is the Eloise, the Queen. Let's see if I can get it out the cover. Now I gave my niece something different, so I probably put this in somebody's cause I do my own birthday gifts where I do makeup bags. So I'll probably just give this to someone in a makeup birthday bag. Let's see if I can get her out. And these are the colors. Isn't this a beautiful palette? Colors that are so vibrant. That is so pretty. Very pretty. Alright. So I bought some more. Now these here were also $4 or $4.99. So I bought this to give to someone for a birthday gift. We're gonna put together the box or bag. Also, this is the Fit Me by Rihanna, and this is the Matchsticks. Okay. Now these were cheaper because these were $12.99, and on Sephora wants $30 for them, and that's what they call in the sale. And yet, BoxyCharm Popup had them for $12.99 or $12. And as you see, they stick together. So let me take it apart and just put it back. I can play with this all day. Look at that. I'm looking like a big kid. Look at that. That is so nice. Alright, also I bought this here, and this is another for Charlie. Now some of these I bought two of. One for me, one for my mom. And this is the volcanic elixir. What does this one do? Okay, it's used to be used day and night, so it must be a beauty regimen. Okay, that'll go to my mom as well. So then I bought some Ellis Fawn, the perfume. Let's see if I can open this with one hand. So I went crazy buying. I spent hundreds of dollars. Let's see. Let's see if it smells good. Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells so good. Reminds me of something back in my childhood. Alright. So I also got this here, and this is the what is this her name? Let me see if I can find her name on here. Kat Von D. Before they switched over to being the KVD, this is one of the last things that she put out. So this is many seasons ago. So, and I wanted this for the longest, but it sold out on Sephora. So let's see. That's how that looks. Let me take a swatch here. Let me do another one. Look at that. Isn't that so pretty? Look at them. Look how pretty that is. That is just gorgeous. Pigmentation to the max. What else did I get in here? I bought so much. Oh, the brushes. I had one of these brushes for the longest. Let me see. Let me get them open. Now, I got just 2 of them, I do believe. 2 or 3 of them. And I want the whole set. Now these ran me, I think it was $12.99. They try and get rid of them. Well, look at them. Look at that. And these are makeup brushes. So unique to BoxyCharm. Isn't that just nice? These are so pretty. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Alright, moving on. I got the Rihanna Fit Me, what is this? Pro Filter. I think this is what do you call it? Eye primer. Yeah, it's an eye primer. So I seem to have bought a bunch of eye primers. Alright. You too. Last but not least, this is the Rihanna Pro Filter, which is another primer. Man, did I go crazy on primers or what? It's like I forgot what I was ordering. But this is another primer. Wow. I bought a lot, and some of these I did repeat. So as you can see, this is a mess from pulling them out of the boxes and stuff. But I think my number one like for this whole entire box was these brushes that I bought off the pop-up BoxyCharm thing. Please comment what you found that you like that I just showed. You know, because I did buy a whole lot. So just list down below what you like. And while you at it, please do like and subscribe to my channel. And depending on when you're watching this, you have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless.